this video we are going to see how to create different views of this particular assembly, and we will see how to create bill of material for this particular assembly. This particular assembly has five different parts. So let us begin. We'll go to the start, mechanical design. Here we'll select the drafting and select the empty sheet, or you can go with the other sheet, other formats, but we'll select the empty sheet. Click OK, and the sheet will appear here, as you can see here. Now to create different views, you can go to the view, you can go to the insert and go to the views, and you can select the wizard option. In the wizard we have different configuration here, so we'll prefer this configuration, that is the first angle projection, the front, top and the left view. Here is the distance between different views, so this 40 will be different distance between front and left, front and top. Select the next option and finish. Now we switch the window and select the assembly that we want to create the different views of. We'll select here and select, click on it, and that will come as the front view. Now select on the left, that will give us the left view and the right view. So we have created three different views. This is our sheet, so you can zoom in, see the sheet size. So actually the sheet size is very bigger. So what you can do is go to the sheet, right click here on the properties, and you can change the size of the sheet. So you can select here A2. There are different size of the sheets available here, and these are the dimensions here. And the scaling is 1:1. The ratio is first angle projection. Here you can see the projection is first angle projection. Apply it, click OK. So the sheet size will be smaller. You can drag this sketches, the different views in the area, sheet area. You can drag them here. So now we can see here different views here, and if you want any other view, again we can go to insert, and here suppose I want the isometric view. So I go to the views and go to projections and select the isometric. Now again switch the window and select the assembly and click on the, you can rotate the assembly and select this particular assembly. Now as we can see here, this is the isometric view. Just we can move it and click here. Okay, so we can see the isometric view. Now for creation of bill of material, again we could go to the insert and generation. In the generation, select the bill of material and select the bill of material. Now automatically it is going to create the bill of material when you click in this particular area. You can zoom in and see the bill of material. Here these are the part names. You can delete this one. The part name, the type is part name, type, and the quantity. Here in the nomenclature, you can just double click here and you can describe the type or the name. So this is suppose base plate. So I'm going to write base plate and click OK. Similarly, again you can write here and write the name here. Once you are done with this, just uncheck this option. So these are coming in the frame, so we don't want the frame, just uncheck this option, and then we go here, we go to the file option, and we can save this as a PDF, save as, and we can save this file format as a PDF format, so then you can have the drawing. So this is all about the creation of bill of material, as well as create different views from the given geometry. Okay, thank you everyone.